Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out news on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page. And after that, tap on the menu button down below and click on the second option, news. Here you can find a bunch of news as you scroll down. So if you are interested in checking out any of these, all you have to do is just simply clicking on the relevant one, and you can slide to the right side. If you would like to add it to your favorites, tap on the heart icon at the top. You can also add your comment to it by tapping on this comment button. Type it into this box, click on the send button, and as you can see, you have just added your comment. As you go back, you can also share the news by tapping on the share button. You can forward it via AirDrop, messages, Instagram, Facebook, and other social networking sites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.